Hands on the throat. Silent panic. This is choking, not coughing. A piece of food is blocking the airway. Air can't reach the lungs. Oxygen to the brain is dropping fast. Stand behind the person now. Abdominal thrust. Pull sharply inward and upward. Internal effect. This forces the diaphragm upward. The lungs explode air out like a powerful cough. Object release. That rush of air can eject the object and reopen the airway. Breathing comes back. Color returns. Life is restored. Important warning. If the person collapses, start CPR immediately. Call emergency services. Knowing this skill doesn't make you a hero. Using it does.